How to use a laser hair removal machine. Step 1. Start up. Unlock the emergency stop, turn the key, and power on the machine. Step 2. Hair detection. Enter the hair detection interface, slide the handpiece on the arm, and tap to analyze. Check and apply the parameters. Step 3. Pre-treatment preparation. Clean the arm, shave the hair, apply gel, and switch the appropriate spot size. Wear protective glasses and goggles, lower the energy, perform a skin test, and adjust settings as needed. Step 4. Apply laser. Use sliding or spot operation mode to deliver the laser on the arm. Reapply gel as needed. Step 5. Post-treatment cleaning. Press the pause button on the interface, wipe off the gel, and rinse the arm with low-temperature water. Step 6. Turn off. Clean the handpiece, place it back in the holder, turn the key, and turn off the machine.